This is a volunteer organization. We do not have salaries here. We know that having this rank, having this uniform gives us some form of privilege.
Onward we go, PCGA, with the commitment of saving lives at sea. Dedicated to a service that is true, making this world a safe place for me and you. Forward we go, PCGA, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. Onward we go, saving lives we always do. Kami ang kabalikat ninyo, lahat ng oras, ulan man o bagyo. Handang tumulong sa kapwa Pilipino, PCGA kami handa magserbisyo. Sulong kapatid sa PCGA, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary. Mabuhay tayo, mabuhay tayo, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary, Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary.
That coming along those privileges are certain responsibilities. Coming along those responsibilities are accountabilities. On this moving home activity, warmest welcome and good wishes to each and one of you here right now.
Sa kapwa tanging kayamanan, ilalaan ang buhay para sa inang bayan. Anumang problemang dumating yung maaasahan. Tanod sa baybaying dagat, Philippine Coast Guard, di ka pababayaan. I love PCG, working for people, country and God. I love PCG, helping our nation with patriotism, compassion and fear of God. Kapalit man ay buhay, ika'y handang protektahan ng mga hamon pagsubok. Walang dapat ipangamba, sama-samang babangon patungo sa kaunlaran. Panalangin ay baon para sa kapayapaan. Tanod sa baybaying dagat, Philippine Coast Guard, di ka pababayaan. I love PCG, working for people, country and God. I love PCG, helping our nation with patriotism, compassion and fear of God. Let's love ourselves, spread love to everyone. Spread love to everyone. Let's work hand in hand, let's work together and thrive. Together we'll thrive. Let's love ourselves, spread love to everyone. Spread love to everyone. Let's work hand in hand, let's work together and thrive. Together we'll thrive. Oh,
Sama-samang salubungin ang alon. Kahit anong bagyo tayo ay makakabangon. Ano mang hamon, palagi di padadai. Dahil sandatay panalangin, ano mang oras o gawain, makabayan ang damdamin at may iisang hangarin. Panatilihing payapa ang ating baybayin. Maglingkod sa bayan, yan ang aming tungkulin.
Sinumpa ang pangakong nasa isip at puso. Tiwala ay asahan pagkat dito maglalaho. I love PCG.
We have seen there's so many activities that were shown a while ago, and this undertaking that we have done for the past three months, and this is it for our class. Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang masigasig class of O5 2023! Mabuhay ang PCGA! Mabuhay ang PCG! Thank you very much, sir.